Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove CapCut logo from a video. So if you are tired of seeing that CapCut logo at the end of your videos, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the watermark in 2025. No tricks, no apps, just the real method. So first you can just launch CapCut and tap on a save project or a new projects. So let's say here I'm going to open this project. So open the CapCut on your phone and tap on your project, and you'll notice the CapCut ending clip with the logo at the end of your clips, this one in here. So this logo here is added automatically. And to remove the ending watermark, you can just scroll to the end of the timeline like this, and here you'll see a short outro clip with a CapCut logo. You can just tap it and hit on delete at the bottom, and boom, the watermark is gone. So what if you want to prevent it from showing again? So to stop it from coming back, so you don't want to see that watermark again when you start a new project or you edit another projects in CapCut, you can just close the project first and then go to settings by clicking on the me, or go to your profiles, tap on the gear icon in the app at the top right corner. In here you can just under the preferences, you can see there's this option add default ending. So you can just toggle it off, click on this, and then click on this card, and that's it. Now for your YouTube project will stay clean. So after that, you can just export in the top right, export your project. So go back to your projects in here and then click on export in the top right and check your video, and there will be no CapCut logo, no watermark, and you are ready to share your videos. And that's how easy it is to remove the CapCut watermark in 2025. So hit like if this helped, subscribe for more editing hacks, and let me know what tutorial you want next. I'll do my best to help you with CapCut or any other apps that you want. So I'll catch you all on next tutorials. Bye.